How to set applications to high priority in Windows 11. So if you have an app or a game that you want to set to high performance, I'll show you how to do this. Now the first step is you need to open up your Start menu, search for Task Manager and click on this window. Now click on the search box at the top of this page and you need to go and search for the app that you want to set to high priority. Now if you don't see your app from this list of processes, just make sure the app is already open and running in the background of your computer. So I'm just going to right click on CapCut like so. Now once you've found your app, click on the drop down arrow next to it. You then need to locate the process with the highest CPU. So mine's this one at the bottom here. You could then go and right click on this and then go and press Go to Details. Now go and right click on your application again, click on Set Priority and go and set this to High. Now you'll get a warning message, just press Change Priority. Now there's also another thing you'll need to do as well, so go and open up your Start menu. You could then click on Settings. From the left hand side select System and then press Display. Now scroll down and go and click on Graphics. Scroll down again to your list of applications. Click on the drop down arrow next to your application you want to set is high priority. Click on the GPU preference and make sure high performance is selected. Now if you don't see your app from this list, you can always go and add it manually by pressing Add Desktop App, and then you just need to locate the app on your computer to add it to this list of applications.